everyone, this is Pawnpreet Kaur greeting you all with my warm wishes. I would like to share my views on the topic Atmanirbhar India. We all know the importance of self-reliance in our lives, and keeping this point in mind, the Government of India has tried to promote the idea of self-reliance at national level. Atmanirbhar Bharat, which translates to self-reliant India. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a Hindi phrase used and popularized by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and the Government of India in relation to economic development in the country during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. In this context, the term is used as an umbrella concept in relation to making India a bigger and more important part of global economy, pursuing policies that are efficient, competitive and resilient, and being self-sustaining and self-generating. The phrase has been used by Narendra Modi since 2014 in relation to national security, poverty and digital India. The first popular mention of this came in the form of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission during the announcement of India's COVID-19 pandemic related economic package on 12th May 2020, 12th October 2020 and 12th November 2020. Since May 2020, the phrase has been used across ministries such as Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Education and Ministry of Defense in relation to press releases, statements and policies. The phrase has also been used by the government in relation to 2021 Union Budget of India. The phrase has been used by the former Planning Commission in India's 5-year plan. Commentators have noticed that India has been enacting policies and building institutions to promote self-reliance since the day it was created. Private companies and their products also have been considered as fine examples of self-reliance in India, such as Maruti 800 car, Thums Up beverage, HDFC, Amul. The leading IT companies of India and Bharat Biotech developed India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine in a bench-to-beside journey that took 8 months. The history is that Indian nationalists emphasized self-reliance in 1940s. In those years, India took cue from economic models in the Soviet Union, later becoming aware of other models such as that of South Korea and Brazil. In a 1983 article by Sanjay Baru titled Self-Reliance to Dependence in Indian Economic Development, Baru wrote that self-reliance could be understood as the strategy and the perception offer relative merits and constraints, offer opportunities and offer tasks. Even where deviation had occurred from this strategy, they were viewed as temporary departures, as being forced on an unwilling government. He based this one on a lecture in 1982 at Sidon College in which economist Ashok Mitra said, self-reliance to us did not mean shutting out windows to the world. Even a certain quantum of external assistance was incorporated in our definition of the term. But we did certainly rule out the probability of chronic foreign aid. India, we urged, was not lacking inherently either in manpower or natural resources. We had also the advantage of starting out basic infrastructure of industrial and technological skills and facilities, which was superior to that possessed by most developing countries at that time. In addition, there was the advantage we thought of having a political leadership keen to pursue the goal of self-reliance. We opted for self-reliance because, in our view, it was the most rational economic course. Thank you.